Hello kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Purple color, sky blue color, yellow color, red color, light purple color, grey color, dark green color, dark blue color, light pink color, black color, orange color, dark pink color, light orange color, light green color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Hexagon. Triangle. Pie. Heart. Sun. Sun. Oval. Brown color. Hexagon. Hexagon. Brown color. Sky blue color. Triangle. 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 Sky blue color. Pink color. Pie. Pie. This is pie. Pie, pink color. Red color. Heart. 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 Red color. Yellow color. Sun. 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 Red color, sun. Blue color, oval. Oval. Oval, blue color. Brown color, sky blue color, pink color, red color, yellow color, red color, blue color. Hexagon, triangle, pie, heart, sun, oval. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.